Here we're looking at the whitening function of MySmileSim. So if I click the whitening button, I'll see the shade guide, and I can just click around and it will change the teeth to the appropriate color. And once we've got a shade, we can adjust the brightness according to the photo and very quickly show the patient what they would look like with some whitening. There's a few advanced features that you can do as well as that. So if I continue back to whitening, the computer automatically works out which bits are the teeth, which it will whiten, and which bits are the lips and gums and tongue, which it won't whiten. So if you want to see what it's doing and have more accuracy, you can click this Choose Whitening area. It will show you what it thinks are the teeth. If it wasn't getting all the tooth area, you could push this bar up to get more area. And if it was getting too much, including some of the gums, then you can bring it down and just whiten the teeth. So that's a shortcut way of doing it, or you can manually choose which areas to include and exclude to get the exact area right. Also, you can choose to whiten just a single tooth. So if we did that, we could grab just say this one, which is a little bit darker than the ones around it. Again, you can adjust how much of the tooth to whiten, and we can just not include the teeth that are around it. And we can make that tooth pretty white just to bring it up to match the ones around it. Thank you.